Good morning, everyone. This is Konstantin Ivasenko, and today is episode 102 of Success Habit Journey. And today I wanted to talk about our habits and actually the fact that awareness, we need to be aware of our habits. And this is the key that will give us the opportunity to change or to replace bad habits with good habits, with positive habits. So actually, uh, just to know, we can make a list of habits we do have. Let's say we wake up, we take the phone, or it's maybe not a good habit to take the phone to check news. Then we go to the washroom, we go to the shower, we do morning exercise, and all of these habits, we can rate them, we can see if it is a good habit or bad habit or maybe neutral habit. And then when we are aware, we are able to see what we are doing right. Maybe every evening we take a glass of wine or a bottle of beer, and then we can see, is this habit, will this habit help me become who I want to become in future? It's not maybe, let's say, smoking cigarette, maybe for some people it will relieve stress in short term, but will it be beneficial for your health in the long term, in the long run? So actually, rating the habit will help you to be aware. When you make a list, you're aware, and then when you rate your habit, you will be able to see if this is really what you want to be as part of yourself in future. Will it be beneficial for you? And this is very important, and once we know it, we can replace them. And actually replacing is not a big deal. The awareness is one of the first steps. We need to know what we want to know. So actually be aware. Awareness is the key that will give us the opportunity to replace bad habits with new habits, with good habits, positive habits. And for today it is. Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.